Ekene m gị bụ ndị ọma na-ege m ntị abịakwana m ka nsị abịa ọzọ ya bi na nene na ya udodelu nwoke udodelu nwaanyị biko ihe a bụ vidiyo awada dị Evangelist Ebuka Obi ọbịagobachie warning mana onwe m chọrọ ikwu is it difficult achọrọ m ịma gịnị what is this spirit leading people kedu ihe na-achị ndị mmadụ sometimes everybody know in a place and enwe Judas everywhere bana ọkọ ọchịchọ dịzi some of ndị bayi n'ime onye ligolo apịatuwe ya anụ nwede ndị bayi n'ime some of ndị bayi n'ime is becoming unbearable. Gịnị ma Ebuka Obi ji na-aba mba na video now somebody na-abịa Zion ministry ọ bụrụkwa ndị ọdụkọ ndị prayer warrior kọ ndị gịnị dị ha kpọrọ the person si na ha bịa ka eje ebe ọzọ people now but Zion ministry people are diverting them outside. I lose outside that wayo. The person put as on us and the Zion wayo. Evangelist Ebuka Obi has said it that now on no account has anybody Oboni Bego Ebuka Obi charge go to see him one-on-one. Come out and say it. He doesn't charge anybody money to see him. Manunu wapota unana anande mmadụ ego kun waiting on the line ka wait for Ebuka Obi bukwa free. What is all your hunger for money? Most of all people this people are rolling on this Zion ministry. They don't even care what the man of God is saying. They don't care. I'm a student in Kenano. One young lady in Abia Zion ministry. But Idibia has testified against you that in another Ebuka Obi na-ekwu. Ina agba moto isi Lagos eje afọ enyi gị nwoke bụ dibia makwa na ọdịbịa and ịma na ụlọ na-aba ama mmekọ nwe ihe dị na nwunye ị na-agba moto je na afọ ya na-anapụ ya ego n'ọkọcha ịgbagotekwa Lagos. The dibia is now testifying against you, a young lady for that matter. The dibia na amụ ọkụ na amụsị na some of this if a dibia can testify onye makwa na ọ bụ onye omenala can testify na ị nara eme ihe Ebuka Obi na-ekwu. What more can you say? What more can you do? It is a warning to everybody. Unabia prayer, especially man the security. And when back complaining, get na law chele. Ocheji na people am now. Ebuka Obi ne mena struggle ko yede lo nyobo na mma. The people no yansu monetize Ebuka Obi. You guys monetize the man of God. Everything around him, people are using it to cash out. Everything around him, you people don't even care the way being. A boy, what people care about is Ebuka Obi man no prayer department, or man no music, or man never, or none. Leaders that are positioned to make sure that all those things are well organized and good. Manoya potaza knowledge invite one. Hey, one name makeketi una na loko ni zuweshi. Now divert people's attention from what is happening there. And he use most of you. And then what would not just some people brain no. How can you easily now be Zion somebody apology? See agon pologo jewa jegule. Pologo jebu koko. Pologo jebe be de anga kewe meli ge pere newe kewe imago there's not akona mwedisi. And how can be brain no mother apology singing on and look with Ebuka Obi give ya kunu jebe do to na Ebuka Obi abemeti una we find my name and apogego singing na ego hotel na ego nka I don't know you will not see the person again. People are wicked. And to everybody name this man of God this thing, you guys will not go unpunished. You will never go and look Judas. Despite the fact he collected that money, he didn't even live to testify and to eat that money. Ego na tazo wusana na ebo hu kando obodo na chanfu na ego obala ewela jejezu ebe a na-ene mmadụ. So that money was never invested in anything. The money was invested to ebe a na-ene mmadụ. What will you be remembered for? Will you be remembered at the end of the day after 5 years na Zion ministry? After 10 years na Zion ministry, but they say, hey, you know, I work in usher department, I work in here. While people don't know this kind of secret agent able to the ministry. You're a distraction and a disgrace to that ministry. And then this video.
most of the people that work here, some of them are agents. And some of you, if you continue like this, you will end up going mad that nobody will kill. I want to refresh your memory. Opposite this place was a toilet. Our first toilet was opposite here. There was a ministry then towards the Onyebuchi Avenue. What the man of God there was doing then, he have some agent that will be coming here. To see Brother Ebuka is difficult. There is another man of God. He will send some girls, about 5 of them, paying them weekly. That is a man of God here. Brother Ebuka, you know, so many people are going to see him. He don't need to bother. That man of God will also do. He will see clear like him, pray. And this agent, and one of those girls was the one that supplied the cement that we used to build our first toilet in Zion. So she continued that thing. People informed me. And they told me I should see her standing there. So that day, I moved straight to her. I told her, I got information that one man of God paid you to always stand here. Come to consultation. They can't see me. I only see you. You will carry them. There are so many souls out there clubbing. There are souls everywhere we're supposed to fight to gain for Jesus Christ. Why is the assignment the inside Zion ground? That is not the way the apostle did the work. Stop it. Stop it. If you do it again, you will go mad that no man will kill. Now, the other time they told me that she left here. She's now standing at the junction. You know, that time, how people see me one-on-one. If you come, we will write 1, 2, 3 to 1,000. We will put it, mix it together. If you pick, even if you are the first that come, if you pick and pick 1,000, you better go. Because I won't be able to. Those that pick from 1 to 50 or 40 are the people I'm going to see. So the lady, when people are going, you know, they are angry. We are becoming some people have been picking for 7 months, 1 year. So the girl keep deceiving them. One day they called me. She was one that supplied the cement. One day they called me that she removed her pants moving on the street. And the girl, she was the one that supplied the cement. She became mad after some months. There are information that came to us about some of them that are in working here. Some of them are agents sent by some ministries. What they do is that when they see these abroad people, they tell them there is one man of God here that will see you fast. They brought a case in my office. Now, my sister told me, they showed me, of about 2 offering girls that carry 2 people here to Ajegule. That Brother Ebuka is busy, he's busy. And they went there and duped those people. Because they duped them, that was why we heard the story. All these workers in an offering, in an announcement, in an we don't have signboard. Zion does not have signboard. Zion by human. People come all over the world here. We have never gone to any church or ministry before and say people come here. But if you have agenda of taking people here and they are defrauding them, if you continue like this, if you don't go mad, you know that God did not call me. And the child in offering department, you bring the whole offering people. The question is that it's about 1 or 2 offering people that took the lady to Ajegule. And they asked her to bring goat to wash herself. And collected her money. Some of all these people, I've told the people, scrutinize these people that you are giving clothes Some of them are agents from other churches or ministry that don't like Ebuka Obi. And you that will come to ministry, somebody is telling you to go somewhere. Because the person wear clothes, you listen to the person. The person will tell you that him and Ebuka Obi is working. We are working together. Working together with who? How? When? Where? If you are agent and he says you are working here in on a security, in on a gallant man, you be careful. I don't believe in business. I don't do business. That is why people come here. No day have I asked anybody to pay money to see me. No day have we done bazaar here. No day have we asked people to bring their tithe. This place is free, we receive, freely we give. My annoyance is that you will carry people here, they will go and dupe them. Lead them to occultism. Let today be the last day, and we're going to trace the lady. Let today be the last day I will hear that. We're on a committee. We're on a gallant man. We're on a worker. Don't come here to deceive people that are coming here because they are desperate to see me. They don't have the access. You are not saying, I am a worker. I am a worker. This is how one of the prayer warriors carried one of our lady from Jamaica to this hotel. First of all, tell the lady, I am working direct with Brother Ebuka. Gigo di mura ese kiyari, wanye giya rice na ano na to, tachigo di afo. I don't blame them. I blame the authorities of the ministry that you can't check people very well and bring them in the ministry. They will wear clothes and take picture with me. Immediately the camera carry me and them. That is why you see most of them always coming to where I am. Camera will carry me and them. They will snap it and put it in their place. One pastor came here the other day disturbing me that he should take picture with me. Here, one pastor from South. And I took picture with him here. His assistant pastor took picture with me. Before you know it, he went and do the kind of enlargement I've never seen in my whole life. And not that they are worshiping God. If you go there, he will tell you to bring 500,000 and I will do work. This is not what we represent. This is not what we stand for.